Good morning, guys. I'm talking quietly because Nick is still sleeping. It is 7 o'clock here and I just woke up early. I mean, it's not that early, but I just don't sleep in. That's normal for me. It's not just because I'm pregnant, but it's like even more so now because whenever I wake up, I have such a stuffy nose. I had no idea that like congestion was a pregnancy symptom, but I'm constantly congested and obviously I have to pee like crazy. So once I'm awake in bed, I kind of just have to get up, and Kip really wanted to get up and eat and go to the bathroom. So I am up with him. I just fed him and now I'm gonna have a little snack, but it's freezing out there for him. So I have to go get him. I really hope he's not stuck. Sometimes he gets stuck under our deck because we put him out on a leash, like a long lead. We don't have a fenced yard. And sometimes he gets stuck down there. So I hope he's not stuck because that means I have to go out there and untangle him. Come on, Kip. Come on. Oh, you're kidding. He is stuck. Really? You're stuck. Come here. Okay. Go on up. Are your paws cold, buddy? He's like limping. Okay, go on. Okay, so for now, I'm just gonna have a banana and a glass of orange juice. One of my pregnancy symptoms has been indigestion and acid reflux, which I'm not surprised by because I've had that in the past. But bananas have been really helpful for me. They're really helpful with acid reflux and indigestion. So if I start my day with this, I'm normally good as long as I eat slowly and small meals. So I'm gonna start with this. Orange juice is probably not good for acid reflux because it's very acidic, but I really love it and I've been craving it, so we're gonna have some. I also have to go grocery shopping today. I will probably take you guys along with me a little bit just to show you guys what I get for the week. This is my favorite orange juice. This is the best orange juice ever. I'm sure a lot of you guys can't get it because Wegmans is a grocery store in the Northeast. Like they're in New York State. I think they're in Pennsylvania. Maybe more than that. Like they might have them in Virginia. I'm not really sure, but that's where I'm going today. Oh, it's such a good grocery store. It's so nice. They have a huge organic section. But I love this orange juice. It's just so good. So okay, I got ready for the day. I have a hair appointment in about a half hour, so I'm just gonna run to Starbucks before and get myself a coffee and maybe a little snack on the way. So I figured I'd take you along for that. And then I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping afterwards, so I'll also bring you along for that.
Vanilla latte decaf.
Thank you. So I got my latte. I get it decaf now because I'm pregnant, and with almond milk because I'm lactose intolerant. I do eat cheese, but that doesn't really bother me. Like milk and cream and things and ice cream, that really bothers me. So decaf, almond milk, vanilla latte, but only 2 pumps of vanilla. I don't get all 4 pumps. It's just too sweet for me. So I have the most obnoxious Starbucks order. Actually, I posted my Starbucks order on my Instagram stories once and was like, this is so obnoxious. This is my Starbucks order. And someone direct messaged me who used to work at Starbucks and said, don't worry, that order is not bad at all. You can't even imagine what some people order. So that made me feel a little bit better. And whenever I order this, nobody looks at me. Like none of the baristas look at me like I'm crazy. They just go right along with it. So I guess I just hate to be difficult, but decaf, almond milk, 2 pump vanilla latte. And then I also got a butter croissant. I love their butter croissants. They look like this. They're so good. So I'm off to my hair appointment. I'm not getting anything like drastically changed. I don't want anything off the length at all. I'm actually going to someone I've never been to before. I had like a huge gift card to this one place. It's like a really nice place, so we'll see. I don't want anything off the ends. I just got my hair trimmed like a couple months ago, but I just want to add in some more layers. Like I used to have a lot more layers up here and they've all just grown out. So I'm just gonna get some layers put in and hopefully I like it. I'm kind of nervous just because I've never been to this place before to have my hair cut. I've been there before for like pedicures and things like that, and it's really nice, but we will see. Okay guys, I just got my hair cut. He put a bunch more layers in and I am so happy. He didn't take anything off the ends. He completely listened to me. I am so happy. So I'm glad I went. I feel like this will just be a nice little confidence booster for me. It's something fun. It's probably not noticeable to anyone else but me, but I notice it and it feels light and fun and yeah. So anyways, I am going to go grocery shopping now. So I think I mentioned this in the beginning of the video when I was drinking my orange juice. I go to Wegmans. I'm gonna do some grocery shopping, just show you some clips of some things that I get, and then once I get home I'm probably gonna make myself a snack. So let's get going. I take full advantage of these parking spots now. I love them, especially since it's winter. Thank you, Wegmans, and anybody that has parking spots for this. Okay, I just brought all the groceries in, and one thing I wanted to mention, I'm not sure if I'm going to eat this at all today, but I wanted to make sure I mentioned it, is this from So Delicious. It's a dairy-free frozen coconut whipped topping, and I put this on top of raspberries or strawberries or anything like that. It's so good. It's like a little substitute for ice cream, and it's a lot healthier, and it's dairy-free, which I have to kind of do, so it's really good if you are lactose intolerant. I highly recommend this. I just stumbled upon it one day in the like organic frozen section, and I'm so glad I did. It's so yummy. But I'm gonna put all these groceries away and then make myself a little snack. Also, I am drinking water. I know I haven't shown that really, but I talked about this in my January favorites, I think. And this is just a large venti sized reusable Starbucks cup that I use to drink water. So I am drinking water. So I think I'm gonna make this pizza and then a little salad as well. So this is just a is that how you say it? Non-bread pizza. Wegmans has them prepared, and it's just a spinach and ricotta one. So I'm going to put this in the oven. I think you have to set the oven to 400. You have to set the oven to 400. do that. And that bakes for 15 minutes, I think. Yeah, 15 minutes. And while that's heating up, I'm going to just make a little salad. So I have my grape tomatoes, some mozzarella balls, and some Kalamata olives. So I'm just gonna put some of these in a bowl, add some olive oil, maybe some basil, salt, pepper. Actually, with the Kalamata olives, I probably don't even need salt because these are so salty, but I don't know, we're just gonna whip something up. Okay, so here is my little salad I made. I added the mozzarella balls, tomatoes, Kalamata olives, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, some basil, and black pepper. So I'm going to eat this while this is in the oven. Get on there. That's good. Okay, pizza is done. Got a little crisp on that one end, but that's okay. I probably will not eat all of this. I'll probably just eat a piece or two, and then I like to save the other 2 pieces and just reheat them like the next day. Sometimes I will eat the whole pizza, but I just had that salad, so I think I'm just gonna stick with 2 pieces of this. Let's try it. I already know I like this. I get this all the time, but so good. I'm gonna go sit down, eat these 2 pieces of pizza. I have to film a video today, and then later tonight I'm going out to dinner with my mom. We're having like a mommy-daughter dinner date. So we're going to an Italian restaurant in town, and I will bring you along with me to show you what I eat for dinner and maybe dessert. They have really good cheesecake. So I will catch up with you guys then. I thought I'd be able to make it till dinner without eating a snack, but I'm kind of hungry. So I'm gonna have some of these raspberries with this that I showed you guys earlier. Yeah. So I am about to leave for dinner. I just wanted to show you my cute little outfit. It's really basic, but it's just a black tank top. These are maternity jeans from Old Navy. I love them because, sorry if Kip's being loud in the background, but they're full panel maternity jeans, but there's this band. I feel like this is really hard to see, but there's a band with like a button and actual loops that you can stick your shirt into. It's like a faux little band, so it looks like you're actually wearing pants, but they're like maternity pants. So these are from Old Navy, and I just have some tall black boots on and a little cardigan. This is from Express, and obviously I'm gonna be wearing a coat because it's like freezing out. So I think I already said this earlier in the video, but my mom and I are going to an Italian restaurant in town, and I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. I need to make sure to get something with protein. I realized like an hour or 2 ago that nothing I ate today had protein in it, or much protein. I mean, I had cheese, but normally I have eggs in the morning, but because I was running errands this morning, I just didn't make them. So I'm gonna make sure I get some protein for this baby, and definitely some sort of pasta too, because Mama's hungry. Here with Mama. She's drinking wine. I got water. No, I love this one. The tortellini farciti or chicken franchise.
I would go with that.
Get the chicken franchise. Oh yeah, because that has chicken. I need some protein
That's
too.
what you said you wanted too.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yummy. Chicken franchise.
That looks really good.
It looks so good. Yummy. What did you get?
What is this called?
Meatball salad.
enchilada.
She's so healthy. Oh, was so good. This is all I could do, guys. Oh, I get so full so fast. So I'm gonna get this boxed up and I will have leftovers. Leftovers are always good. We got dessert. Well, I got dessert. Raspberry cheesecake. Ooh. It's very pretty. Okay, you guys, I am back home. I have quickly put on my pajamas already. This is the most comfortable little pajama set from Adore Me. I will link it down below along with anything else I mentioned in today's video. There is no way I am eating anything else today. I am so full. That dinner was so good, and then you guys saw that I had dessert too. So I always like to show my bump in my pregnancy videos. Here it is. I will show you guys my bump. I am 20 weeks and just a couple days. So I'm also very full right now, but that's my baby bump. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm definitely not eating anything else today. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. Definitely let me know if you liked this type of video by giving it a thumbs up, and then comment down below any other pregnancy type of videos you'd want to see from me or anything else like this. I love doing videos that have to do with my pregnancy. It's just fun to talk about and bring you guys along with me. So definitely let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see from me. Otherwise though, guys, I love you all so, so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!